Namaskar, welcome to daily weather briefing program of India Meteorological Department. Yesterday, the very heavy rainfall was reported at one or two places over the coastal Karnataka, south interior Karnataka, and Kerala, and heavy rainfall was reported over the Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and one station over the Telangana. In coastal Karnataka, highest 19 centimeter rainfall was reported. In south interior Karnataka, highest 14 centimeter rainfall. In Kerala, maximum 12 centimeter rainfall was reported. Today, the low pressure area lies over the North Andaman Sea, and this low pressure area is very likely to move west northwestwards direction and become well marked low pressure area over the east central and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal during next 48 hours. And this well marked low pressure area very likely to reach west central and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal of South Andhra Pradesh and North Tamil Nadu coast on 18th of November. In the Arabian Sea, a cyclonic circulation lies over the east central and adjoining southeast Arabian Sea of Karnataka and North Kerala coast. And under its influence, a low pressure area is very likely to form over the east central Arabian Sea during next 24 hours. And this low pressure area is also very likely to become more marked during subsequent 48 hours. This is the satellite picture. In the Arabian Sea, there is a intense to very intense convection over some parts of east central and adjoining southeast Arabian Sea because of the cyclonic circulation over that area. And in the Bay of Bengal, because of the low pressure area over the North Andaman Sea, there is moderate to intense convection over many parts of that area. And because of this low pressure area over Bay of Bengal and its likely movement towards the north Tamil Nadu and South Andhra Pradesh coast, and another low pressure area is likely to form over the central Arabian Sea. Because of those systems, there will be the heavy to very heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu, South Interior Karnataka, Coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Rayalaseema during next 4 days. That is up to 18th of November. And there also will be the heavy to very heavy rainfall at one or two places over the Kerala during next 2 days. And along with this, there will be the heavy rainfall over the Goa region and adjoining South Konkan region on 15th and 16th of November. And there will be the thunderstorm and lightning will be the many parts of South Peninsular India, and adjoining parts of the Maharashtra will continue for the next 4 days. And except this, there is not any significant weather over remaining parts of the country in the upcoming 4 to 5 days. And as far as the islands are concerned, there will be the squally weather as well as the heavy rainfall over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands on 15th of November and 16th of November. If we look into the fisherman warning, then because of the low pressure area over the North Andaman Sea and its likely movement towards the Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh coast, there will be the squally weather over the North Andaman Sea and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal on 15th of November and 16th of November. There will be the squally weather over the central parts of Bay of Bengal and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal on 17th of November, and there will be the squally weather with the wind speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph over the west central and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal along and off Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh coast on 18th of November. So the fishermen are advised not to venture into those areas. And as far as the Arabian Sea is concerned, since there is a low pressure area is likely to form during next 24 hours, because of that there will be the squally weather over the southeast Arabian Sea, Gulf of Mannar and Comorian area during next 24 hours, and there will be the squally weather over the east central and adjoining southeast Arabian Sea from the 16th of November to 18th of November. And the squally weather will be over the central parts of Arabian Sea on 19th of November. So fishermen are advised not to venture into those areas. You can download the Mosam app, Damini app, and Meghdood app. You can also follow us on our Facebook page, Twitter page, and our Instagram page for more detailed weather information. Thank you.